My father, he had come from a family business, and the value of entrepreneurship, which is the seed of family business, was planted early in all of us. I thought I would become an organizational consultant, work with large corporations, and in graduate school, realized that that's not a path I wanted to pursue. I talked to some people in that field, and they coached me out of that. And I was really struggling on what I would do. I started reading a journal that was brand new called the Family Business Review. And as I was reading, the issue was on family business dynamics, and I realized that's a world I know a lot about. And I made a decision right then. It hit me like a bright light. I knew this is what I was going to do, is I wanted to serve family businesses. I think about going to work with a family who literally the family members could not speak to each other. They could not look at each other hardly. But we were able to help build a container for them to be able to sort out all these challenging dynamics they had. And in the end of that, people who initially wouldn't speak to each other ended up actually being really close siblings. I have enough of those stories that it keeps me going. And every time one of them happens, or you get a note from a client talking about how the work we did 20 years ago has created a better life for them and their family, that's pretty special.